Welcome to Nantong Dongqing Machinery, a name trusted by food businesses around the world. With over 20 years of export experience, we are a reliable one-stop supplier for all your food machinery needs. From design and material selection to production, packaging, and shipping, our dedicated teams ensure every product meets the highest standards of quality and innovation. At Dongqing, we understand the importance of delivering customized solutions that meet your specific needs. Whether you're running a restaurant, bakery, or food processing plant, we're here to make your business operations smooth, efficient, and cost-effective. Our extensive product range includes bakery equipment, food processing machines, refrigeration units, beverage dispensers, and more, designed to help you make delicious food every day. With a strict quality management system, our state-of-the-art production lines guarantee reliable, secure, and fast delivery. We don't just build machines, we build solutions that help you grow. Our hot-selling products such as food mixer, dough mixer, meat grinders, meat slicer, and sugarcane juicers are trusted by our customers for their durability, performance, and ease of use. Our professional team is always ready to work with you, providing customized services and after-sales support to ensure your satisfaction. With over 56 awards, a 15,000 square meter factory, and a capacity to produce over 100,000 machines per month, Dongqing is more than just a supplier, we're your reliable business partner. Our commitment to excellence is reflected in our 60-plus certifications, ensuring that all our products meet international standards, including CE and ISO certifications. For more than 20 years, we proudly serve businesses around the world, helping them grow quickly, safely, and cost-effectively with high-quality machinery and equipment. Join the hundreds of food businesses who trust Dongqing. Visit us today for a free quote and discover how we can help you make more delicious food. Dongqing Machinery, your reliable food machinery partner.